Today we're going to bring a digital smart lock with lever set. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, let's take a look at the actual product itself. Now, if you guys can see, this is the keyless entry. This is where you're going to punch in the code that you want. If you don't have your code, you can always use a key. If you don't have your key, wireless entry. So you can just click on here and it automatically let you guys in. Now, on the other side is where the actual setup is. You have to actually set up 4 of the AA batteries if you have to. You can manually closing open it. It still works the same. You go lock it and unlock it, push of a button too. Also, there is a plate that you need to set up the entry in the back end first. All right, so we're gonna set it up and see how it works.
First, make sure you set this up first. All right, so properly set this one up to begin with. All right, we're gonna get this part going. If you guys can see, you got to plug it in here in the bottom of it when they meet. That's how they go. All right, just make sure the battery part goes on the inside of the house and this is going to go on the outside. I find the screws inside the actual you get to put in the screws inside the battery case. All right, we got this set up. It's facing up. The cable's down here at the bottom. There's a little gap in here. We're going to connect these in here. Pretty much you got to lock it in place from the top. Right, so we have the system set up already. If you guys can see one side here, and then we have the keys. So you have 2 options in this one. You can use the keys. So let me go ahead and enter the keys. You can open it up, lock it in, lock it out. Very simple. We got the key code that we're going to put batteries, a key fob, and the keys and the password. So if you guys notice, the passcode here for default. All right, so let's unlock it. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 pound, and there it is. Unlocks the door automatically, tells you it's done. Now we're going to put a key fob in here, so let's go ahead and set that up. All right, using the key fob, if you guys can see, I program it using my phone. All you have to do is see how it's locked right here. We're going to go unlock it. So unlock it. So you could program many of these, keep them in your keychain, and very simple to unlock the whole system.